Is that a Southwest?
Yeah. Have you posted this on your channel?
I might. Oh yeah.
And why?
I've never heard of it before.
What do you think the speed is for crosswinds right now?
That is a crosswind. The zoom in on the 17 is crazy.
I'm pretty sure you can get 25x. Wait, zoom.
No, you can't. This is the
This is max.
yeah, it's the max.
What is this? Did you upgrade to the 17?
No, it's my mom's phone.
That was nice.
Yeah.
Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Slowly, slow, 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 slow,
Is that gonna yo crosswind?
One, two, three, four. Crossing. Yeah!
Okay, bro. Wait. What is that? Yeah, that's the Southwest.
Was when the Airbus A380 landed. And I can guarantee you there are two runways that it either lands on. This runway or this runway. At least later that day I got to see 747. My binoculars weren't working and there was also only over here. It wasn't close to us.
Is that plane even gonna take? Oh.
You know what I like seeing? Like big planes when they're crosswinds? Do you see the Airbus A380s? They go like this. They're like this.